Welcome to AppSolvers. In this video, I will show you how to add new contact in WhatsApp, WhatsApp Web, or WhatsApp app on Windows. To do that, press this plus icon at the top of chats. Then select New Contact. Here type in name, select country code, and then type phone number. To add this number in the phone as well, turn on this option, Sync Contact to Phone. After that, press green tick icon. And that's it. New number was added in WhatsApp and it will also be added in your phone. Now we can communicate with this new number. Just like so. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.